Current time is 7:13. Mostly cloudy skies to begin your Wednesday morning. And we are seeing some clearing on a satellite shot right here, but I expect that there are mostly cloudy skies, complete overcast conditions for all of us, as the satellite really doesn't do a good job of picking up on that northeasterly flow with the cloud cover that comes from that type of pattern. But as you see underneath the clouds, temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s. There's some isolated 60s in Cordele and also in Milledgeville. As we head off to the east, we see temperatures in the upper 50s. Same goes for just about everybody except for the extreme northeast in Sparta, where we see temperatures at 55. And that is going to be the typical pattern for today. We're going to see cooler temperatures off to the north and east, warmer temperatures down to the south and the west. Now, wind speed currently right now, we're seeing some locations have some calm winds. And what we're seeing are calm winds for Forsyth, Monticello, Sparta, Cordele, possibly a very small chance of some patchy or light fog in those locations. As you do see, the dew points are pretty close to the temperatures at this hour. But we're seeing the wind speed around 6, 8, 10 miles per hour. As too much wind for fog to develop, so you're going to wake up to some breezy conditions that go along with that chilly air that's already out there. So it may be a light jacket to begin the morning, but eventually throughout the afternoon hours, be able to put it up. Temperatures daytime highs in the mid to upper 70s. And as I said earlier, northern communities, lower 70s, southern communities, lower 80s. So we're going to see a wide range of temperatures throughout the day, and eventually that cloud deck will begin to clear on out. Sometime around lunchtime, we'll start to see more in the way of sun, and the wind will also begin to pick up as we progress throughout the day, northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, the clouds will return throughout the overnight hours once again as temperatures will drop back to the mid-50s, but the wind will not be present, so we will see dry air, so fog will not be in the forecast for tomorrow morning, but we won't have to deal with any breezy conditions as the wind will begin to die down as that pressure gradient begins to loosen as the remnants of Karen begins to move further up the east coast. Now, your wind forecast for today, look for winds coming out the northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour for the most part. We will gust up to 15 at times, so it won't be too bad on the wind side of things. It'll be actually pretty pleasant to go along with those upper 70-degree temperatures. Now, here's the current pattern across the entire country right now west southeast. We see that cloud cover, that thin cloud cover. This is pretty much what we dealt with all day yesterday, and we see we start in the morning with it once again. Here's the remnants of Karen moving up the east coast around the Carolinas into the Virginias as well. And we're still pumping in that easterly flow coming in with that. It's a high pressure ridge. It's off to the northeast. Karen's right there, and it's still going to funnel in some of that cool northeast air. So that's why we're going to see temperatures in the northeastern portions of our counties in the lower 70s, and that's why we're going to still see that cloud deck. But as we progress throughout the day, that cloud deck will erode on out. Now, first look ahead, it won't pick up on a cloud cover, but we're just showing you this because it's pretty much a quiet forecast going throughout the next couple of days. We see the rain stays well off to the north, and as we see, the cloud will continue to creep closer and closer, but I expect a lot of this cloud cover to be over our area throughout most of the portions of the days. And say it's Friday, Saturday, as we get around lunchtime, we will see the sun come out, and as we go throughout the overnight hours, the clouds will move back into the forecast. Now, as for your 7-day forecast, look for temperatures in the upper 70s until Friday. Then we start to see the 80s, lower 80s, more in the way of sunshine as well. But a weak cold front pushes through Sunday night. It only is going to bring a reinforcing shot of cold air. It's not going to bring any rain with it. We see temperatures drop to the mid-70s. But Tuesday night, we see another front pushes through, and I think that one's going to bring some rain and some much cooler temperatures with it. Fishing and forecast calls for 2 peaks in the good range, 5:40 tomorrow morning and 6:20 tonight, this evening.